4.2009 Honda Ridgeline Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 6-hill, airbag deactivation, ambient light package, emergency trunk release, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, heated windshield, navigation system, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, EBD electronic brake disc, EBA emergency brake assist, moonroof, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, cruise control, bucket seats, child safety locks, trip computer, fog lamps, traction control system, daytime running lights, anti-theft device S, auto express down window, trailer towing hitch, power driver's seat, center console, heated outside mirror S, rear center armrest, power lumbar driver's seat, power sliding rear window, body color bumpers, fuel data display, privacy glass, leather trimmed upholstery, power mirrors, heated driver's seat, heated passenger seat, color-coded mirrors, power moonroof, reading light S, outside temperature gauge, dual airbags, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, auto headlight on-off, tinted or